Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I painted this abstract poppies. This time I trimmed a 7 by 7 inches paper from this number 300 airbrush paper, and I used the acrylic colors on it. First, I throw some basic color to the background. This ultramarine blue with titanium white for the sky. Now I use the easiest way to paint the clouds by using titanium white only. After I give the basic shape of the clouds, I use a clean brush to soften the bottom of the clouds, and then I use the brush to fluff it. I learned this skill from Bob Ross. Now I use a sponge to apply the grass by using the deep green permanent and yellow, cat yellow. Now I use my palette knife to paint the stems of the flowers. And paint the leaves by using the deep green and lighter green. Now I use a smaller brush to indicate the buzz of the flowers. I use this cat red, which is not too dark, to paint my flowers. The flowers are in the basic shapes, so you only need 2 or 3 strokes for each of the flowers. Don't overdo it, but you need the colors to be thick. Now apply some black to the center of each flowers. Then use the palette knife to move on the black to give some texture of the stamen. Now use some titanium white to give the highlights of the stamens. Now use the smallest brush to refine some stems or other details. After I sign, this painting is done. And now is the time to make the frame. I cut the cardboard to 7 by 7 inches, which is the same size as my painting, and wrapped up with the tinfoil by using this glue. to mount my painting on. Now I use the same materials to make the stand. Just be careful, don't put the glue too much, you only need a little bit. Now I get rid of the unnecessary parts of the tinfoil and then bend it over to the stand shape that we need and glue it up with the board part. Last night I put a pile of heavy books on it and let it overnight, and now it is very tough to stand on the table. See, this painting can really bring you a good mood. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.